Do you feel nervous about math? Do you dislike math? Do you have fear on doing math? If so, you are not alone. You may have math anxiety. Hello everyone, myself Nabarunkar, and today's video I am discussing about math anxiety or math phobia, its solution and symptoms. So watch this video till the end. Math anxiety is not unusual. You might be experiencing some symptoms of math anxiety such as negative self talk, lack of motivation to work on math, not studying regularly, panic when doing math homework or tests, difficulty remembering math facts, relying on memorization rather than understandings. And there are 8 ways to reduce math anxiety. Option 1. Do math every day. You will need to work on your math course each day, if only for a half hour. You must avoid doing all your math homework or studying on 1 or 2 days per week. Schedule quality study time throughout the week and stick to your schedule. Option number 2. You are not alone. Many people, including math teachers and tutors, have math anxiety when confronted with a new problem. Option 3. Ask questions. Some students are reluctant to ask questions in fear of looking stupid. Asking questions is a sign of strength, and other students in the classroom will be glad that you asked because they have questions too. Option number 4. There is more than one way to solve a problem. Maybe the teacher's way will stump you. Do not give up. Work to understand the problem your way. Remember, there is often more than one way to solve a math problem. Option number 5. Overcome negative self-talk. Perhaps one of the most important ways that you can do better is simply by having a positive attitude. Avoid negative self-talk. Set high expectation and rise to the occasion. Option number 6. Know the basics. Be sure to know your math from earlier grades. Math builds on itself. You may have to go back and relearn material. Remember, it is never too late. Option number 7. Use different resources. To clarify and any math confusion, you can refer to other math texts, use flashcards, journal, research the internet, create a study group, and or use available tutoring on campus. These were symptoms and solution of math anxiety.